The best money printing cash cow right now that you should be using is YouTube. In this video, I will demonstrate how we recently earned over $6,000 on a different, unlisted YouTube channel, and how you can amp up the same strategy while utilizing one of our go-to YouTube growth tools. Additionally, you can earn affiliate commissions of more than $16,000 in a single month. So stick with me through this entire video to learn everything there is to know about this tactic. You can live the life you want with the aid of this method. Since it is totally free, you won't have to worry about money or investments. The finest part of this is that you can take pleasure in producing money online even if you have no prior experience. Even if you are a layperson without any training or experience, this strategy will still work for you. But before we get into that, I just want to welcome all of you guys to the Victor Paredes channel. Hi everyone, this is Lian from Victor's team. So Victor is actually out on a business trip at the moment, and so he asked me if I could maybe take over for him for a while. So here I am, and I have so much to tell you. You are gonna want to watch closely and listen carefully for what I am about to share with you guys for today's video. This information has the potential to uplift your mindset and give you a fresher perspective when it comes to building and generating your own wealth. Therefore, your first step will be to visit Instagram and look for this specific account here named God's Message Today. You can see right here that this Instagram account is growing very fast, right? So it has over 150,000 followers, and to date, they have posted over 1,100 posts. So I'm gonna demonstrate how to copy and paste the same technique from Instagram sites like this one right here, and then transfer it to YouTube in a moment. And we will be able to produce everyday passive revenue like this. You can see that their postings constantly receive really good engagement from their followers. Let's just scroll down a little bit on their page. Okay, so this post has gotten over 10.6k likes and over 1,000 comments. Let's now select Open in New tab from the menu when we right-click on these photographs. I want you to just begin copying these devotional texts one after the other, as I have already done over here, and then paste them into your text editor or notepad. Let's go to YouTube now, and I will demonstrate how to use the straightforward devotional messages we just took from Instagram. And by using them, we may easily make passive money. There is no investment necessary because this procedure is completely free, okay? You will be able to achieve this even if you're just a beginner and have never earned money online. You can see that these videos are receiving a lot of views on YouTube from the search results. Let's right-click to open the God Helps channel as well. This channel has now gained over 97,000 subscribers while posting videos with similar messages that we just copied from this Instagram page. If we check out their About tab, you can see that this channel was created just in January 2022, which means that it is just less than a year old and they have already gained over 7 million views on YouTube. Returning to the Videos tab, we can see that this movie was made quite easily by clicking here to watch any of their videos. It has a number of encouraging, uplifting, and devotional messages that are very similar to those we have saved on our notepad papers. This video was posted approximately 3 months ago, and it has already received over 300,000 likes, which is incredible. If we scroll down a little, you can see that It is about to pass over 2.5 million views, and down here, it says that it has over 17,500 comments. By the way, this channel is already monetized, and they are making money every single day posting these simple to make videos. I will now demonstrate how simple it is to make these little videos, which you can then upload to YouTube to start earning money every day like these people. If you are liking what you're hearing so far, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give us a like and a comment so we know how we're doing. Also, share this to your friends and family who you know will learn a lot from what we are discussing for today's video. Alright, so let's get right back into it. To make your YouTube videos, you have the option of employing either CanBecome or InVideo Audio. I have already written over 10 different instructions on how to use these two websites to make your first YouTube short video and how to optimize them so they appear higher in YouTube search results. Introducing ProductGate CRUD. The sponsor of this video product is a recognized Google partner who promotes your YouTube videos using recognized technologies that YouTube recommends. Now, they have worked with over 14,000 channels, bringing them over 7 million subscribers, over 170 million views, and over 25 million likes. Instead of waiting for the YouTube algorithm to find your videos at some point in the future, or to try to promote your YouTube videos using the Google Ads service, which, to be honest with you, I have tried to place ads using it, and I can tell you guys that it's not that easy. Which is why ProductGate is your amazing solution. I will walk you through the quick actions that you need to do to earn over 100,000 views on your channel in less than a month, just in a moment. You will start to see your channel expand as a result of advertising by obtaining more likes and comments from new subscribers. So, after you're on their webpage, enter the URL of your channel there, click Start Your Promotion, choose your channel, and then click Promote. It will next ask you to select your budget, which is quite simple to set up. You can adjust this slider to a weekly rate as low as $49 or as high as $1,000. And as you can see over here, it will indicate how many views you will receive for that particular week depending on the amount you select. Therefore, the more money you invest, the more views you will receive for that week. I chose roughly $200, which meant that I would receive 9,259 views per week. Choose Next. You can see that you have 3 possibilities from where you are. You can configure it to choose your most recent videos automatically, or your most pertinent ones. Alternatively, you could decide to pick the videos yourself. To achieve the best results when promoting, be sure to just add 2 to 3 videos. After clicking Next, specify your target market and interests. As you can see, automatic targeting is recommended as the most efficient method of advertising. But if you'd rather, you may set up the target nations, audience, interests, and keywords manually by going through each of these on your own. And that was it for today's video. Let us know in the comments if you were able to pick up some important pieces of information that you know would really help you. Also, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe so we can create more videos like this and share more tips and tricks to help you out in the world of building finances. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.